I wouldn't date you because I'm an Englishera. All the past guys I started dating were intimidated by me. Ate talaga? Sila kayong issue. Not only is it embarrassing that you
So, ayan. GG si ate girl. Pero, gets naman that gusto nang galing-galit niya. At annoyed na annoyed siya. Kaya alam, kailangan. I know it's, like, freedom of speech and sa platform na to. Kaya lang, kailangan ba mag-add ng heat, diba? So, by the way, yan yung mga comment. Pause to read. Pero kasi most of the comments were already removed or unavailable. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Anyway, yan. Yung mga sinasabi ko. So, personally, don't agree with the girl. Yan. Kailangan ba? Kailangan, deserve niya bang mabuhi? Yun ang tanong. Kaya lang, since the day, yun nga, day and age ngayon is talamak sa mga Pilipino ang mga masasyama ugali. Ngayon, siyempre, opinion nila na kaya nagalit na galit sila. Parang, hello, inano ka po ba ni ate girl? Tsaka ito, gets ko naman. Kaya lang, kailangan ba na galit na galit? So, yan. May mga may comment siya dyan eh. Comment na, colonialism, tapos na group daw, Facebook group na gina-join dahil sa colonialism mindset daw, deserve daw ni ate girl na pabuli. Yan, basta post to read. So, by the way, nakikinig kasi ako ng,
ganda kasi nung sinabi.
Realize
podcast.
these things, you all of a sudden will have a certain level of humility and realization that, hey, the universe does not revolve around me. It's okay for things to not work out the way that I want them to. It's okay for people to disappoint me and to not deliver the way that I want them to, because they're human beings. This is an imperfect world, and I am not a higher being that has the capability or has the right to require more of other people and more of other circumstances. So
yan, doon sa galit na galit. Basta doon sa galit na galit. Tapos nagsabi pa may AFAM pages, colonial mindset daw. Ayun po, hindi po tayo higher being, hindi po tayo perfect. Okay. Ulitin natin sinabi niya. Si Joy Spring.
I want them to.
By the way, this is Adulting with Joy Spring, yung podcast. Pero it's about managing anger. Doon sa ate girl na nagalit doon sa talagang gumawa siya ng hate video. Pero yon, bala siya sa buhay niya. At least ako kontrolado yung Pero kasi ang ganda lang kasi ng sinabi ni Joy Spring dito. Ulitin natin.
Because they're human beings. This is an imperfect world, and I am not a higher being that has the capability or has the right to require more of other people and more of other circumstances. So
again, deserve niya ba mabuli? Hindi. Tingnan natin sa sarili natin. Perfect ba tayo? Perfect ba tayo? Hindi tayo perfect. Pare-pareho tayong human being. Again. Dahil gusto ko yung sinabi
them
niya
to,
dyan.
because they're human beings. This is an imperfect world, and I am not a higher being that has the capability or has the right to require more of other people and more of other circumstances.
I don't have the right to require other people. Yung perfectionist, ganyan, 'di ba? So parang empathy na lang, 'di ba? Parang yun na lang talaga yung practice natin. Sana lang, lalo na sa platform na to, ang daming bully sa platform na to. So yon. Yan lang, share ko lang, wala lang. Di pa pala
All of a sudden,
Sadali, di pa tapos eh. Tapusin natin yung sinabi niya. Ang ganda kasi yung sinabi niya.
have a certain level of humility and realization that, hey, the universe does not revolve around me. It's okay for things to not work out the way that I want them to. It's okay for people to disappoint me and to not deliver the way that I want them to, because they're human beings. This is an imperfect world, and I am not a higher being that has the capability or has the right to require more of other people and more of other circumstances. process.
So again, no one is a higher being, okay? Lahat tayo, wala. Human, we are human, tao tayo. O sige, kolonya. Mindset, magtagalog tayo. Hindi tayo Diyos, hindi tayo banal. Ano tayo? Normal na tao. Hayop.
Check out where that anger is coming from or where the entitlement is coming from, and be honest with yourself and change that perspective, right? Instead of thinking na, they're supposed to be like this, they're supposed to be like that. Look at life from a perspective of gratitude instead of entitlement. And then that will eventually change the way that you deal with circumstances. It might not fix your anger problem or your temper problem, but it will give you, small solutions that will eventually lead to something that's permanent. Obviously, it's only God that can change one person's heart. And I honestly believe in that you have to pray about these things. But throughout your days, you also have to be practical about the way that you deal with everyday people and everyday problems.
So yon, sa mga bashers, well, diba? Ano na lang, diba? Just think, saan ba nanggagaling yung anger ko? Bakit galit na galit ako sa comment section? Ganon. O bakit galit na galit ako kay, example na lang natin yung Englishera girl. Galit na galit. So, bakit, saan ba siya nanggagaling? Like, how do I put myself sa pwesto niya na binubuli na ako because of my actions, ganyan. Because of her, ganyan, chene-chene, kaartahan niya. Sige, maarte siya, ganyan. So, yon. Bakit? Deserve niya ba? Empathy na lang, guys. If we are not part of the solution, don't be part of the problem. Hayop, dami-dami ng problema ng mundo. Tapos dadagdag pa tayo. So, yon, empathy na lang. Yan lang.
So, ayan guys, moral lesson of the story. Moral lesson of the story? Ano yarn? Anyway, kasama ko nga pala si Zane, my husband. Char! My husband! Dilulu tayo.
So, ayun. Wag na lang po kasi tayo maging kasi content ka nga, hate video naman yung ginawa mo, 'di ba? So, nagre-reflect 'yon sa attitude mo. So, yun lang naman yung i-share ko, period. Be kind, period.